In this video, I'll show you how you can fix black screen on League of Legends. Now this is really simple, guys. What you want to do is search for Task Manager, go to Details, sort by the name, click anywhere and press L. Make sure you end the task on League of Legends and make sure it's completely closed down. Then press R and do the same for Riot Client. Once you've closed it down completely, come here and search for League of Legends. Right click, open file location, and then right click open file location again. And this will take you to the Riot Client folder. In here, right click, properties, compatibility. Check this one, disable full screen optimizations. Check that one. Go to Riot Games, League of Legends. Find the league client.exe. Do the exact same in here. Check that one. Scroll up. Game, League of Legends.exe. The exact same in here. Check this one. And then find it on your desktop if you have it. Compatibility, and check this one. Once you've done all of this, it should work. Otherwise, you can try and restart your PC and these changes will take effect, and then it can also work. Now, I really hope you enjoyed this short video. If you did, please leave a like and subscribe, as it helps me out a ton. Thank you so much for watching.